Hello, welcome back to Pola Quilting. There is a table in my craft room where some unfinished project live. I also put there some donated to me items which got a potential for quick project. I am working on emptying the table so I can use it for some other activities, you know, new designs and cutting and all of those things. So probably the next few videos will be about what was on the table and how I used it up. I received in donation box this lovely pre-quilted panel. Someone was practicing a free motion quilting on it and it really looked great. So it wasn't big enough for a larger project, so I decided to turn it into a notebook cover. The full tutorial is available and I will link it in the description below. I started by taking measurements of my notebook and squaring up the panel. It was a little bit wavy, so I ironed it slightly to kind of make it flat. It was easier to cut that way. It was just about big enough wide-wise for the notebook I have. I used this red gingham fabric to make flaps, which I first pinned and then slightly basted before adding the bias tape. When you baste it, it helps with the process, so it doesn't, you know, the flaps do not move as you're adding the tape, so it's a little bit easier. I then used a stripy ready-made bias tape. I think it really fitted nicely with the flaps and added a little bit of contrast to the notebook cover at the front. When I got to the point of the start and end of the tape, instead of sewing those ends together, I folded slightly one side to kind of create that finish edge, and the other side I use pinking shears to cut because that helps with non-fraying, and I just overlap the edges by about 1/2 inch and stitched it together. Here it is, finished project, quick and easy. As mentioned, the full tutorial is linked in the description below, so go and check that out if you like to make one of your own. Thank you very much for watching me today and see you next time.